Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make that beautiful beaded jewelry you have on my display picture. It's actually very simple and very easy to make. Alright, the materials needed include 0.35 mm fishing line. Okay, you will need a size 6 crystal beads. You can as well use size 8 crystal beads depending on how big you want the jewelry to look like. If you want it in a small size, it's advisable to use size 6 crystal bead. So I have two colors here. I'm using red and gold. Okay, I also have in my cutter. All right, so let's get started. Cut few inches of your fishing line. Don't make it too long. Okay. Now you start with a red crystal bead, or depending on the color you want anyway. So you pick like 6 of this. Okay, so you make as many of this as you want. All right. So when you're done, cut another measurable length of fishing line. This time around, make it longer. You can cut like 21 inches or thereabout. Okay. So you continue to make this. Okay, you continue to make as many of this as you want to make. All right, before you start the next step, you have to skip a line here in order for the jewelry to have enough space to lay properly. All right, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, see you in the next video. Bye.